Hello everyone, my name is Jinao. This presentation is my desk research for Digital Experience Design Studio. In this presentation, I will share my findings of the desk research. My desk research reports how many music interaction can support the well-being and social connection of the older adults. Older adults often experience loneliness and social isolation, and this research suggests that the music to support emotional, cognitive, and social well-being. Through the revealing academic studies and existing music initiation, this research aims to identify the alternatives for designing meaningful and inclusive digital music experience for the older adults. My desk research is motivated by the fact that older adults experience some challenges such as loneliness, memory loss, and social isolation that the music can help to address this issue. By getting to know more about this group, we are able to develop solutions that can enhance their lives. Also, the study related to the principles of the digital experience design, ECD, revolves around the establishment of the meaningful and inclusive and interesting digital experience. These ideas are reflected in the music in action as they provide older adults with convenience average to engage emotional and socially. Many older adults experience loneliness and social isolation, which can negatively affect the mental and cognitive health. Study shows that the music can help reduce loneliness, stimulate memory, and promote emotional well-being. In conducting my desk research, I use keywords such as older adults, music therapy, digital music, cognitive health, emotional well-being, and social connection. I use research engine as Google Scholar and PubMed to find peer-reviewed literature, search product website, apps, and technology blogs to learn what companies are offering in the market. Overall, my research analyzed 8 research articles from the total of 17 that has been downloaded from the named database, since they specially targeted the older adults and music. The analysis of the article followed the stepwise process that involves source searched by use of keywords, sifting through the abstract and product description, downloading and reading 4 papers, comparing academic results with commercial offering in order to determine gaps, and automatically incorporating lessons into the required themes of collective health, emotional well-being, and social connection. My desk research reveals that the music contributed greatly to the well-being and social integration of the older adults. According to the research conducted by Aaron, Shared, and Valuable, group saying that has the potential and to the positive influence to the well-being of the adults by providing enjoyment, reinforcing social bonds, enhancing health, and boosting their confidence. On the same note, the study conducted by Aki Boyer and Ajibate found that the music has significant effect in the reducing anxiety, depression, and agitation among adults' dementia patients. Also, the study from Takimizu determined that music enhanced the thinking and psychological ability of the elderly. Moreover, the findings from the critics reveal that older adults who listen to music attain social and emotional well-being and get a chance to connect with others. My results further show that there's a converted commercial initiative to assist older adults in music via paid service. Entertainment for the Senior, a live entertainment organization that offers to perform at the senior facilities inclusive of senior instrumentalists, and the theme shows that per season basis. There is also SingFit that provides the subscription-based guided singing class targeted on the elderly and the dementia care, enable them to interact with music in a systematic and therapeutic manner. The final commercial is the Dave Roach, which offers music related to the senior as a form of therapy to improve their health. Also, there's upstanding entertainers in the USA that offer entertainment music for the senior, reporting the mental and physical wellness on their target customer. Finally, there is a Seniors Now Live Music, which entertains. My research further showed that there's a converted commercial initiative to assist older adults in music via paid service. Entertainers for the senior are live entertainment organization that offer to perform at the senior facilities inclusive of senior instrumentalists, and the same shows to a per season basis. There's also SingFit that provide a subscription-based guided singing class targeting on the elderly and dementia care, enable them to interact with music in a systematic and therapeutic manner. The next commercial is the Dave Roach, which offers music related to the seniors as a form of therapy to improve their health. Also, there's outstanding entertainers in the USA. Also, offer the entertainment music for the seniors, reporting mental and physical wellness on their target customer. Finally, there's a senior love live music, which entrains the older adults with music, reporting significant level of mental and social wealth. Together, these agencies demonstrate how these agencies combine the live entertainment, therapeutic, interactive, and the personalized digital solution to make music accessible to the older adults. Or the desk research shows three key insights. The first, music can improve the emotional well-being and reduce loneliness among older adults. Second, the music activities can strengthen the social connection and create a sense of belonging for the older adults. Third, the music can also stimulate the memory and the cognitive health for the older adults. These insights suggest an opportunity to design accessible digital music interaction that support meaningful experience for the older adults. To supplement my desk research, I will carry out a user research in forms of interview, focus group, and a survey of older adults in order to collect first-hand information. It will center on the extent to which they listen to music, what the obstacles are, and how they can believe in the positive effect their social relationship and well-being. The important question will be, how do you use music in your daily life? What are the problems with the digital music tool? What the improvement do you suggest to make the music more accessible to you? In conclusion, the desk research explores how music can support the well-being and the social connection with the older adults. The finding highlight the potential of the music in action to create a meaningful experience for this group. Thank you for listening.